kids who have participated in the fancy dress competition have won prizes here. First prize goes to Meda. Second prize goes to Jessica. The third prize goes to Tian. We would like to honor them with the trophy, and the parents of the winners, please collect the certificate outside the arena here. Jessica on stage now. We go for the age category 4 now. Abraham, registration number 204. Abraham, first prize. The first prize is shared by Vidulya Vinod. Vidulya Vinod. The second prize is backed by Marushika. Marushika, registration number 215. The third prize goes to Aryan S. Aryan, wait. The third prize goes to Aryan. Congratulations, kids. The consolation prize goes to Shreya and Triana Saha. The consolation prize goes to Shreya and Triana Saha. We have Abraham here who has bagged the first prize. Age 4 years. Age 2 to 3 category. Third prize is bagged by Tian. Age 5 years, the first prize is backed by Devamsh V. Nair. Devamsh V. Nair. The first prize is backed by Devamsh. Shreya and Triana Saha, consolation prize for the age category 4. First prize goes to Devamsh, age category 5 and a fancy dress. The second prize goes to Jaishnavi under age category 5 for fancy dress competition. Congratulations, kids. We could see the happiness in you. The third prize is backed by Tejashri. Tejashri, the third prize goes to Tejashri for age category 5 for fancy dress competition. The consolation prize goes to Parthiv. Pugalini is available here. Yes, the first prize Pugalini, the second prize is backed by Shashtika. Nivashni Shri. The consolation prize goes to Yuhana. The first prize goes to Pugalini. Second prize goes to Shashtika. The second prize goes to Shashtika. The third prize is backed by Nivashni Shri. The consolation prize goes to Yuhana for the age category 2 to 3 coloring competition. I think the cloud is sleeping now. Good night, all of you. Thank you so much, ma'am. You caught my mind voice. Thank you so much. Parents, please give a round of applause to them. And it has been a day now. They came in the morning and waited for 4 hours for the event, and now they are back again with the different tests and everything. Thank you, kids. Thank you for the parents who are clapping. Age category 2 to 3, coloring competition. The first prize goes to KJ Isha. KJ Isha, first prize. The second prize, first prize is backed by Nivashni Shri as well. Nivashni Shri. The second prize goes to DS Pradneshwaran. The third one goes to Nirvika Sandeep. Nirvika Sandeep. The first prize is shared by Isha and Nivashini. The second prize goes to Pradneshwaran. The third prize goes to Nirvika Sandeep. The consolation prize goes to Tananya Arun. age category 2 to 3 years comes to a closure now. The age category 4 years. First prize goes to Ram Harish. Ram Harish. First prize is backed by Ram Harish and is shared by Siddhant Chandramohan. The second prize goes to Inaya Mariam. The first prize is shared by Ram Harish and Siddhant. The second prize goes to Inaya Mariam. The third prize goes to Atesh Vihan. Atesh Vihan. The second place goes to Inaya Mariam. The third place is backed by Atesh Vihan. The third prize is shared by Vidulya Vinod. The consolation prize goes to Magilini. Age category 5. First prize goes to Diya K. The first prize goes to Diya K. Second prize is backed by Riya Vijay. The third prize is backed by Ara Mudan. The consolation prize goes to Tamilinian. The third prize goes to Ara Mudan. Ara go. The consolation prize goes to Tamilinian. The next category is the rhymes. 2 to 3 years. The first prize is backed by Alia. Alia first prize. The second prize goes to Shashtika. The second prize goes to Shashtika. Second prize is Shashtika. The third prize goes to Yuhana. Yuhana, third prize. The third prize is also shared by Pradneshwaran. The third prize is also shared by Pradneshwaran. The consolation prize goes to Logita. Age category 4 years. Nitvik here for the consolation prize in coloring.
Only one sound, your clap sound. Okay. So with that sound only,
Age 4 category, the first prize goes to Siddhant Chandramohan. Second prize goes to Magilini and is also backed by Iniksha Nigilani. Iniksha. The third prize goes to Dashwant Vithun. Dashwant Vithun. The consolation prize goes to Atesh Vihan. The age category 5 years. The first prize is backed by Jaishnavi. First prize goes to Jaishnavi. The second prize goes to Diya K. The next prize, second prize goes to Diya. The third prize goes to Shanav. The third prize goes to Shanav and the consolation prize goes to Devamshvi Nair. Tirukural, the 4 years category goes to, first prize goes to Ram Harish. The certificates for the events completed and the winners can collect the certificates outside. While you go outside the arena, you can collect the certificates. The age category 5 years. First prize goes to Diya K. Inaya Mariam for 4 years age category goes to Inaya Mariam. Second prize backed by Inaya Mariam. 5 years category, the first prize goes to Tia K.